Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix this error, that is Nvidia display settings are not available on Windows 10. Okay, so let me click on this close button, and guys, I have this file, this nvcplui.exe, and if I double click on this, you can see I'm not able to open this Nvidia control panel. Okay, so I'm going to show you in this tutorial how we can fix that. Okay, so let me click on this close button, and guys, this file in the location, C program files, Nvidia Corporation, and then control panel client. Okay, so we have this file in this location. Okay guys, so how we can fix this issue? So first of all, you need to update Nvidia drivers. Okay, so for that, just press Windows plus R key on the keyboard. I'm doing that. You can see here we have the run window, and after that you need to type this command devmgmt.msc. I will put this command in video description, you can check it out. Okay, and after that click on this OK button, and here we have the device manager window opened. Okay, so let me maximize this. Okay, and guys, if you don't have this expanded, just expand this by clicking over here. Okay, and after that you need to find this display adapters. Okay, so just expand this by clicking over here, and here we have the Nvidia GeForce. Okay, and you need to click on this to select it, and after that right click on that and then click on this update driver. Okay, and here we have the search automatically for updated driver software. Click on that, so you can see that it's searching online for drivers, so we need to wait. So as you can see here, I have this message, the best drivers for your device are already installed. Okay, so if you don't, then just install the latest drivers, and after that click on this close button. Okay, and you can close this device manager window. Okay, and guys, after that you need to again press Windows plus R key on the keyboard to get this run window, and you need to type this command services.msc. Okay, and after that click on this OK button, and here we have the services window opened, and after that guys, you need to scroll down and you need to find this Nvidia Display container ls. Okay, so you need to click on this to select it, and you can see guys, I have this disabled, so just double click on this, and here we have the startup type, just click on that and then click on this automatic. Okay, and after that click on this apply button and then OK button. Okay, and here we have the start the service, click on this start button. Okay, and it's now, you can see Nvidia Display Container ls, it's running. Okay, and after that here we have this Nvidia local system container. You need to click on this to select it, and just double click on it to open this window, and here we have the startup type, it's disabled, just click on that and then click on this automatic. Okay, and after that click on this apply button and then OK button, and here we have the start the service, this link start, click on this link, so you can see it's now started. And guys, if you have this Nvidia Display Container ls and Nvidia local system container already enabled, okay, and running, so you need to just stop the service and restart it. Okay, and after that guys, you can close this services window. So let me click on this close button, and let me go to that file again. So if I double click on this PC, C drive, program files, Nvidia Corporation, control panel client, here we have this nvcplui.exe, and if I double click on this, you can see guys, here we have this Nvidia control panel opened. Okay, so it's now fixed, we are not getting that error. So let me click on this close button, and guys, you can send this Nvidia control panel to your desktop also. So just select that and then right click on that and then hover your mouse on this send to, and here we have the desktop create shortcut. Just click on that, and if I go to my desktop, you can see here we have this nvcplui.exe, this shortcut. Okay, and if I double click on that, you can see Nvidia control panel is now opened. Okay, so let me click on this close button and let me go to that file again. And guys, here we have the nvcplui.exe. you can pin to the start also. So let me right click on that, and here we have the pin to start. If I click on that and if I click on this start button, you can see it's now pinned to start. Okay, and also if I go to the desktop, right click on that, you can see we don't have Nvidia control panel over here. So in order to add this Nvidia control panel to this context menu, just go to that file and you need to open Nvidia control panel. So it's now opened, and here we have the desktop. You can see add desktop context menu. Okay, so just click on this, and if I again click on this desktop, you can see it's now checked. Just close this Nvidia control panel, and if I come to the desktop, you can see if I right click on that, you can see here we have the Nvidia control panel. Okay, in context menu. So it's now done. And also guys, if you click on this show hidden icons, we have this Nvidia settings. If I double click on this, we have this Nvidia control panel opened. Okay guys, so it's now done. In this way you can easily fix Nvidia display settings are not available error on Windows 10. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.